everybody, Someone Girly here with another unboxing, of course, for the Inku Crate for the month of April. May? May! No, we're in May. I have the window open. I apologize for the sounds coming through. Other than that, I'm going to open it in just a second here. I am visually impaired. It means I'm going to use reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to be able to see fine details. This month's box is pretty light. Like, super duper light. No spoilers, of course, but you know how that is. Whoop. Okay. Looks like we got some sort of folder already, but I'm not going to look at that yet because we're going to look at this. Oh, that's a very pretty scene. Looks like an apartment building maybe in the city. Bunch of houses. The colors very much remind me of like the landscapes in the Sailor Moon anime. Yeah, whether you're watching like any version of it, I guess. Okay, we're going to put that off to the side. At the end of the video, we are going to go through that to make sure, did I get anything right? Did I get anything wrong? Okay, first thing I see in here looks like a bunch of stickers. Let's see here. So the back here looks like 242 yen. I got them out of their packaging and they're very nicely textured. And it looks like we've got Mount Fuji-san with some cherry blossom flowers or sakura. Those are really pretty. Oh, we got some gold foiling too. Those are extremely pretty. I can't wait to use those. There is a texture on them. Whoops, I'm sorry. I just don't know what texture I'm feeling. Probably washy. Oop, that peeled up real easily, didn't it? Okay. Moving my trash bin. Alright, what do we got here? We got stuff inside of stuff. We do have stuff inside of stuff. Looks like we might have a pouch here. Nothing else falls out of it. Oh, it's upside down. It is a tote bag. It says Nippon on it, which is the word for Japan. Oh, look! Oh, what is that called? When, the high jump? It is a Shiba Inu doing the high jump. That is so silly. Let's see here. Nothing on the back. And it's just a cloth bag to tote stuff around in, you know, if you want to take your stationery items in. If you want to carry stuff to the gym, stuff to the grocery store. It kind of looks almost shopping bag-like, you know, the way the handles are set up. It's got two tags. I'm going to guess the second one is like care instructions. This one says Akiyama-san, which I'm going to guess is the little puppy. Underneath the code here, it says it's made in India, but was designed in Japan. There doesn't seem to be a price on it anywhere, which that's okay. You know, whatever. But yeah, so that's a nice little tote bag. I like that. You know, if you easily want to just walk out the house, go take a trip somewhere and grab your stuff and put it in there instead of like taking your whole big bag around. All right, some of the items that fell out. Looks like we got a keychain here. There's a nice breeze coming in today too. Oh my goodness, you saw that, right? I opened it and then it closed again. Oh my goodness. All right, looks like we got ourselves here a nice plastic keychain. Okay, because of the lighting, I can't see exactly what that says, but it says "and friends." I don't know if this is specifically from an anime or not, but oops. There's an anime character here. They look very cute. I haven't shown it in a while, but there's a big giant corkboard up there, so I'll probably end up putting it up there. I don't know who they are, but they're very adorable, whoever they are. Extremely adorable. I like the blue hair. A lot. Okay. Now, the other item, very small. I'm thinking it's another, maybe an eraser? Looks like another cherry blossom flower, a sakura eraser. Maybe. Okay, we've seen this brand before, so I'm gonna bet this is an eraser. Iwako. And then there's Mount Fuji-san. And here's a close-up of that before I open it. Oh my goodness. Ooh, hold on. A very, very rubbery smell on it. It's very cute. But it does feel like an eraser. We've gotten one before, but not this detailed. I want to say it was more puffy. But like you could see, like they actually like dug out the petals to make it more texturalized. Texturalized. There's a word I'm never going to get. Ever, ever, ever. So a very cute eraser. Put that over there. We have a sticker of somebody. Just a singular sticker of somebody. Okay, so we have a blonde person. It's a very lovely sticker, actually. Hold on, let me zoom a little bit closer. Shy family? Am I getting that? No, spy family. Spy family. I'm not 100% sure. Very nice looking face, though. He looks friendly. It'd be hilarious in the comments if you guys who actually know the show would be like, no, he's not friendly at all. Not at all. Nothing on the back but the sticker plate. I mean, the paper. Okay. Alright, we have got 2 writing utensils. Push that over a little bit. One feels like a pencil. We're going to look at that one first. Okay. Okay, we've got ourselves another red or pink writing utensil. Probably would help if I had it facing the right way, no? Okay, we got colored pencil. Mitsubishi. Wait. Do they also make colored pencils? I know that they don't just make cars. I've had a TV in the past that was a Mitsubishi. Aha. I was not expecting that. So this is a colored pencil from the company Mitsubishi. And yeah. Oh, wait, there's something back here too. I think it's just letters and numbers. Honestly, wow. A lot of companies over in Japan do multiple products, which is cost effective because then you don't have to outsource, maybe? I don't know. The other, I won't sharpen and swatch that because, you know, it's a nice colored pencil and I don't have a use for it right now. The other pencil, the other writing utensil here feels like a multi-pen, which those of us of the 90s in school variety love. Yep. It's got 2 colors. I see black, I see red. I see more cherry blossoms. It's coming in kind of late this year. I would have expected it back probably March or April for that stuff to come out. But that's okay because I was a little sad that we didn't get any and I wanted some. Okay, we got a writing pad. Let's click down the black one first. Do we have a nubbin on it? No, I don't think so. Classic black. Right. And then I want to say this is red. Oop, oop, oop. I found the camera. Like a red or a pinkish color. I want to say red, but it's not like glaringly red, so I'm gonna think pink. Wasn't that a slogan at one point? Was it Barbie's slogan? Think pink? Not sure. Alright. Looks like the only thing we have left in here, for sure, is this file folder. Okay. Okay. Hello. Guess what my favorite anime is? I have a whole shelf up there of Sailor Moon items that I will insert in here in a second to show you. But I was kind of joking a little bit, maybe, when I said that the cover of the pamphlet looked like Sailor Moon colors from the show. This is Sailor Moon! Oh my goodness. Okay, okay. I know I've been kind of like, it was kind of low energy, I want to say, and I'm really sorry for that. It's that kind of day. Oh, it's completely covered in plastic. Give me a second here. Okay, on the little tag here, looks like this file folder was 385 yen. Not too bad. Official merch. It's official merch. There's the creator's name. Naoko Takeuchi. If I said that right. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm keeping that. I'm peeling that off and I'm keeping that. I was told there were possibilities of getting like branded merch in Inku Crate. And we've gotten some, like Hello Kitty and whatnot. So there is a flap here on the front of the characters, and then the file folder opens up like all the other ones where the bottom and the side are sealed, and you have like just this slided pouch here. I'm wondering why they have this front piece here. Like, to close it, I guess to secure it a little bit better, but also possibly to like put, well, after you put some items in here, if you want to put some more items, like maybe here and hold it in with that. It's not completely secure, but I could see you using that. I am so excited and happy. I am absolutely excited and happy for this. Thank you, Inku Crate. Okay, so what do you think? It looks like we got about 8 items here. I had to pile everything up because, again, I had the window open. Still don't know who those characters are. Hopefully we'll find out in a minute when we go through the booklet. But for everybody else... Oh, don't cover that up. For everybody else, that's the end of the video if you don't want to go along with us with the booklet. So thank you for coming. And what did you think was your most favorite item in here? What would you like to see in Inku Crate? I mean, sometimes they do take suggestions if you go to their website and like say, hey, maybe we get this or that. I don't know. But other than that, boop, bloop. Thank you. Have a good day. Good night. All right. Now it's time for this. Okie dokie. What do we got here? We have the mini Shiba Inu Sakura tote bag. Looks like we could have had more than one design on it, but it doesn't actually say. Usually it says in the listing how many this could have been out of, but you can clearly see that's different than the one that we saw in the video here. We've got the Sakura Gradient Ballpoint. Not really sure what they meant by gradient. Maybe just the color of the pen? Alright, we have the pink Unicolor pencil, which everybody would have gotten the same thing. So apparently in Japan, they are a very famous Japanese stationery company. So everybody got the same thing. So far, the only one that seems to have a variant to it might have been the tote. We got here the Spy X Family collectible sticker. Again, not really sure about this anime. I haven't seen it yet. But maybe it comes in a pouch. They open the pouch and they send them to everybody. Get 1 out of 22 stickers. You got a cherry blossom eraser. Everything in here is very cherry blossom, very pink. A squishy 3D pencil, eraser. So there's that. Then we have the Tsune Miko Pastel Mystery Stationery Item. Hatsune. Could this have been, let's see here. I'm confused. Okay, so Hatsune Miku, I think, is like a Vocaloid? But you could have gotten a notebook, a pencil pouch, or a keychain. So it looks like I got the keychain. 1 out of 14 different items at random. So one of those 3 items, but different designs of them. Okay. The Sailor Moon clear folder. They always call them clear folders. Again, this one doesn't say how many designs there could have been, but this folder looks slightly different than the one we got because there's only the 2 characters on the front here instead of all the ones that we got. And then lastly here was the Mount Fuji Cherry Blossom stickers. which looks like we all got the same ones. So what do you guys think now that we've gone through the folder there? And I left room for figuring things out because there was a couple stuff in here that I didn't know. But I got mostly everything right, and I predicted really quickly. But thank you so much for coming to this unboxing. If you made it all the way to the end here, do you like Sailor Moon? What is your favorite character from Sailor Moon? If you don't like Sailor Moon, what is your favorite anime? Do you have one? What is your favorite cartoon in general? It can be American. It can be any country in the world. Do you have a favorite cartoon? Let me know down in the comments. Other than that, bye-bye.